Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share your Netflix screen on Discord. To get started, open up Discord app on your device. Once you are on the app, you will see somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now, at the bottom below, you can see user setting option. Click on the user setting option and now scroll down and search for advanced option. Once you found the option, click on the advanced option and you can see hardware acceleration option. Simply turn that option off and after that your app will restart. And now I can click on this user settings option again, and from here click on activity status, or you can click on register games option and here you will see no game detected. Now click on add it and click here and select your browser. I will choose Google Chrome because my Netflix is open in my Chrome browser, so I'm going to select Google Chrome here and add game. Now close this and here you can see Google Chrome has been added, and now open a server where you want to stream Netflix and then click on this stream Google Chrome and select music, and you can change the resolution and frame rate, then click on go live. That is how easily you can screen share Netflix on Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.